Namaskar, welcome to Arsun Woods, and here I have a reversible swing seat. You have seen so many videos online maybe for reversible seat swing, and this one is one of the top designs. And here what we have different is the cane at the back. I've shown you earlier the design with the cushion, but this one has got a cane. I'll explain this part also. This is very important, and what you get in the market, how is it different, I'll explain that point. But what's important is the reversible part and how easy it is to reverse it. So use it from this side, use it from this side, and this is so easy and smooth movement that even a kid can do it. You don't need really heavy force or too heavy person to use it. Very simple and very easy to move. I'll explain the sizes. This is 4 feet left to right, front to back 27 inches for seat size, and the back height till this point is 24 inches for a seat only. And we have a 7 feet brass chain with animal figures, as you can see here. The fabric is as per client's choice, the color is as per client's choice, as we make choice wala furniture. So size, design, color, pattern, even the chain is as per client's choice. In the chain we have got several options. You can visit our website, you can see a lot of chain options there. So if you don't want animal figures, you don't want antique, there are gold options, there are rods, and there are different options. Whichever you choose, accordingly the price goes higher or lower. About the seat part and about the design, the cane furniture, the cane thing that you see at the back, this one is quite a liked thing, and this is quite classical as well. People love this thing. So generally what happens is when you see this cane thing, even if you go online and you see some reels, what they mostly do is they have a sheet, a pre-made sheet, and that's being imported, and that sheet they cut in the required size and they simply paste it. At that time it looks good in the beginning, but with the time it gets loosened up because it's just pasted on a surface and it has got all these things, all the cuttings and this gaps as well. So when pressure is applied, it gets loose. But here what you can see is this is double side. We have a layer here and we have a layer at the back as well. I'll show you. We have a layer here and we have a layer on both sides. So what we have done is there is a strip of wood, and on the wood frame we have done the cane thing on both the sides. It's actually done like the weaving thing. The weaver has done it with a cane and it's on both sides, so it will stay like this because the pressure is on both sides. So it's the actual weaving, and that's why it will be durable and long lasting as well. This is one big difference, and you can check it online as well. How they put the sheet, they simply paste it on a surface, and this is how the cane furniture is getting prepared. But here this is actually weaving with the fine these threads. It is woven, and this is a cane back. Now Teakwood, as you can see here, and a reversible seat, size as per the client's requirement, and we are making so many designs, a lot of designs as per client's requirement, delivering across the globe, not just India, across the globe, and at factory price. We have got chain, we have got seat, and we have got ceiling options as well. And if you want ceiling options, they are listed on the website. There are several options available, whichever suits your need. We have brass rings, so they are with the bearing inside, so very smooth movement without noise, and this is how it works. This thing can also work, as you can see on the top, this eye bolt fasteners. We have placed it just because we don't use it much. We have just this video thing, but if you want the bearing thing, they are noise free. These sometimes make a little noise also because these are not that smooth movement thing. And the design part, I'm sitting on it and you can see the whole visual right here, how it looks. So select your design, let us know how you want it. You can select the color of the fabric, you want a darker shade, you want this is in matte finish, you want gloss finish, we can do that. We'll make it accordingly and deliver right to your home in India or out of India, where you want it. The number is right here. Thank you. Dhanyavad.